Hi there, this is Mark with ClickFunnels Support, and today you're going to learn how to create this nifty quote box just using a couple lines of custom CSS. So this is the preview of the actual page here, and I'm going to go over to the editor so I can show you how this was done. So this is actually just an image feature element, and I'll show you exactly which one that is here in the menu. Just image feature right here. And what I did is I found an image online of some quotation marks, and I made sure that it had a transparent background. I added that as the image in the settings here, and then I could actually adjust the size of the image if I wanted to, but I set this at text 70% and image 30%, and I put the image on the left, so you can actually switch it so the image is on the right, but that looks kind of funny, so I have it that way. And then, you just put in your text that you want and change the size, adjust all that. And then you're going to need to get, I was just in the settings there, you're going to need to grab this and copy that. And you're going to go into your custom CSS settings. Now there's already some custom CSS on this page, so I'm just going to scroll all the way down to the bottom here. And here's how this works. So this is the name of the image that I just copied, or I'm sorry, of the element that I just copied. So you're going to paste that there, and I'll provide the code below this video where you can actually just copy the entire code, and then you just replace the image ID or the element ID with your element ID. So you set the background color here, and you can set that to whatever you want. You can actually just go like this, white, or just type in the color name. And that might make it even easier. You don't even have to worry about hex codes. But so you just do that, and then you can set the padding, and that's what's going to be this extra space around the edge. I'll show you what that looks like without the padding. See, it doesn't look that great. The words kind of cut off on the corners there. So I added 20 pixels of padding. You could do 30 to give it a little bit more, but I like just 20 right there. And then you can add your border radius, and this is what's going to make those rounded corners. So as you can see, that's square right there. So if you don't want that border radius, you just want it square, you can do it like that, or you can add 5 pixels of border radius or 50 pixels of border radius, whatever you want. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that. Let's go ahead and do 20 there. And then the cool part is the shadow, and you just use this box shadow right here. The first pixels here, this is going to be the bottom, and this one is the right side, and then this here is actually the blur. So that's what's going to cause the shadow to have a little bit of a blur. You can see there that it's just a solid black color, but once I add in that 5px, it blurs it a little bit. So I can actually change that, make it a little bit more blurry. I mean, you can really adjust this however you like. So there's a lot of blur there, but so I'm going to actually do 20 pixels, make a pretty blurry little shadow there. And that's it. So all you need to do is copy this CSS below the video here, and you can paste that into your custom CSS settings, replace the element ID, and use the image of the quotation marks. Make sure the background is transparent. That's a PNG image. And you put in your text for your quote, and the quote name, or you can use this for a testimonial box, put the face of the person giving the testimonial, whatever you like. Just kind of adds a little touch there, makes this element pop. Let us know if you have any questions.